Hi friends, Cole here. I am at Railay West, is what this beach is called, in Krabi. Super beautiful. Oh my gosh. I've been to Thailand several times. I come about every year, but I've never been to southern Thailand, and yeah, it's beautiful. Meeting a sailboat tomorrow, doing a yoga and sailing retreat. So just getting a little preview of what's coming up this week. And yeah, it's morning here, just woke up. I slept with a really big pillow last night, and woke up with a really big knot in my neck. So first we're gonna do a neck and shoulders video. How about that? Multitask. So come to a seat. And hopefully my microphone I'm louder than the motors. I'll let that pass. Take a moment just connecting with your breath. And without changing it, notice your posture. Just notice the natural way that you would come to a seat. And then press down with your sit bones. So root down with your sit bones. And with that downward energy, see if you can reach up through the crown of the head. So really notice the relationship between the two, pressing down to lift up. That maybe already gives you some freedom in the neck and the upper back. I can already feel some more space. Roll the shoulders up and back so you have some more broadness through the collarbone, and bring the heart center forward slightly. And let the shoulders release down the back. So this might be quite a different position than you first came in. So noticing the differences here. Again, pressing down through the sit bones to lift up through the crown of the head. Releases the shoulder blades down as you bring the heart center forward. Good. And we'll begin to move from here. Let's take the hands behind the head, interlace the hands, and lean the head back, opening the throat. Gazing up, and having your hands support the head. And then begin to bring the chin down. Let the weight of the arms help you open up the sides of the spine. So try not to round the back too much here. Inhale, open the arms, gaze up. Leaning back into the hands, and then exhale once more, coming forward. Release the arms, the chin is tucked. Roll the left ear over towards the left side. Getting an opening on the right side of the neck. Rolling the chin down and over towards the right. Whew. Back to center. So begin to move with your breath. Noticing adhesion, noticing tension. Seeing if you can breathe even deeper here, especially the exhale. So when we have tension, when we find tension, the tendency is to bring the shoulders up. We kind of close off the heart space, and we also tend to hold the breath. Both of those things talk to the nervous system, telling the body that it's not safe to open. So it's actually working against the stretches that you're doing. So continuing to bring the heart forward, deepening the exhale. And let's come to center. Inhale, bring the arms wide, tee the arms, gaze up. And exhale, bring the right arm over the left arm. Let's round the back this time, round all the way down. Shaking the head no. Oh, that feels quite nice. Also went climbing 2 days ago. I haven't been climbing in forever. So that might have something to do with it. For me, for my neck anyway. Inhale, open the arms, arching the back, gaze up. And exhale, the left arm comes on top. Round down. Giving ourselves a big hug here. Shaking the head no, shaking it yes. The head weighs about 10 to 12 pounds, so really use that traction, use that weight. And inhale, open the arms and bring hands to heart center. Inhale, arms move up, gaze up. And exhale, twist towards the right. Inhale, push down through the seat like we did in the beginning to inhale, lift up through the crown of the head. Exhale, twist. Again, root to rise. And exhale, twist. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, let's twist over towards the left. Root through the sit bones to lift the crown of the head. And exhale, twist. Once more. And twist. Inhaling, come to center. Let's take the right hand off the right side of the mat. The left arm comes up and over, reaching towards the right side. Take the left hand behind the head. Reach through the elbow now. Big side body stretch. Inhale here and then exhale, begin to round down. Bring the left elbow towards the right knee. So really focusing on the curvature, the rounding. Inhale, open. And exhale, round. And coming all the way up. Let's move into cat-cow. So beginning to move with your breath into traditional cat-cow first, stretching the belly, stretching the back. Let me begin to move organically, checking in with what's going on in the spine. What's going on in the back today? Dropping one shoulder, then the other. And coming to center. There aren't really any dogs here. Do you remember that when I was in India filming on the beach, I had that puppy come up? There's lots of cats here, which I love cats, but cats aren't dogs. Not a lot of dogs here. Inhale the right arm up, reach, open the heart, lean back into the chest slightly. Back into the shoulder so the chest opens. And then drop down. Inhale, the left arm comes up. You can stay right here, gazing at the left thumbs, leaning back into the shoulder slightly even here. Or take that hand behind the back. Maybe reaching for the inner thigh. See if you can pull the top shoulder away from the ear. It might like to slump up. See if you can pull it down. And then inhale, lift the left fingers if they're not already. Plant the hand, press the ground away as you open up with the right hand. All right, listen up. As if somebody's pulling up the right fingers, let yourself lift up onto the knees. The right hand comes back towards the right heel, half camel. The hips go forward, the head, the heart move back. Yes. And exhale, plant the hands down. Good. Take a moment in cat-cow or make some swiggles. And we'll switch sides. Inhale, the left arm reaches up. Lean back slightly into the shoulders. And exhale, fold. Beautiful. Right arm moves up. Leaning back into the shoulders even here. Notice if the hips go all the way over towards the right. See if you can keep them kind of centered. And then take the hand behind, grabbing for the inner thigh, reaching up, gazing up, reaching up with the gaze. Getting into the thoracic, upper back. Inhale, lift the right arm. Plant it down as you push the ground away. Open all the way up. And let's be lifted by the left fingers. Bring them all the way back to the ankle as you take this half camel. And exhale. Take a seat down on the heels for a moment. Hands to the knees. Let's take some big body rolls, some big circles. So you can move as quickly or as slowly as you like. Move in both directions about 3 times. So we're just getting the spine to move in all the directions. Beautiful. Let's come down onto the belly. Press the tops of the feet and the pubic bone down into the ground. Let's spread the hands wide. Tuck the chin to the chest, and we're going to lead with the back of the heart, so right in between the shoulder blades. Push the ground away, let the back of the heart lift up, and then unwind as you gaze up. Exhale, fold down. Same thing, twice more. Tuck the chin. Begin to roll the body up, push the ground away. Inhale, open the heart, open the throat. Exhale, fold down once more. Beautiful. And release. Come all the way up. Let's come back into seated. You can sit on the knees or sit cross-legged. Just take the left ear towards the left shoulder. Take the arms, hold on, cut that, Jamie. Take the hands together. Inhale, cactus the arms, gaze up. Exhale, right arm over left, hug in, round the back like we did in the beginning. Tuck the chest, tuck the chin. Inhale, cactus, gaze up. And exhale, left arm over, hug in. Inhale, open, cactus. And exhale, draw the hands behind the back. Roll the shoulders up and back. Let the fists draw down. Open throat. Take the fist over towards the right side. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. Begin to gaze over the left shoulder. So the shoulders are actively pushing away as you gaze behind. You should feel pretty good on the neck. So keep the body twisted. Take the left hand behind the back, the right hand towards the knees. Bring the right arm up as you lean back. Maybe you lift the hips. So again, kind of this half camel. Exhale, come down. Inhale, cactus the arms, open the throat. And exhale, take the hands behind the back. Loop the shoulders so the heart opens and take the fist over towards the left side. Gaze over the right shoulder. Actively draw the shoulders down, the elbows moving towards each other on your back. Pull the belly towards the spine. So the torso's already twisted. Take the right hand behind the back. The left arm comes up. You stay right here or push the ground away as you lift the hips. And exhale. Come back to center. Just take a few head rolls here. Notice if you have some more space. So we're always looking for a little more space, whether it be physically, mentally, creating more space to be, more space to be present, to be free of the tension. And maybe take the hands and give some love anywhere else that needs a little more. Sides of the spine, on the neck. And at the occiput, which is the muscle at the base of the skull. So you can go kind of all the way around to right behind the ears and all the way to the back. It feels really good. It's always better when someone else is doing it, but it feels pretty good when you're doing it as well. Beautiful. And bring the hands into the lap, close the eyes down. Just showing some gratitude for yourself for taking some time out for yourself today, giving some attention. Giving some attention to create some space. To create a deeper relationship with yourself and your body. And I wish you all were here with me on this beautiful beach in Thailand. Railay West, if you're ever this way. Quite something. It's a big, beautiful world. I hope to weave with you somewhere in it someday. Otherwise, I will see you on your mat. Bring your hands together. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. Head over to my website, coldchanceyoga.com, if you're interested in connecting live or coming journeying with me. Also, if you want to do some longer videos, if you want to deepen your relationship with your body and your practice even more, head over to my website as well, and I have longer classes there on Om Yoga Tribe. So thank you so much. See you next time.